Charity Gaming / Entertainment here, and welcome back to another video on Roblox. Again, playing with my friend G1ngerRobot. Hey dude, you can't come in. You can't come to me. Sauce. But I'm playing Lucky Block. I'm playing a Lucky Block game or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, what things do I have? I have, ooh, what's this? Is this like a dagger? It probably is. 1. Oh yeah, I know this weapon. I'm not gonna use it because it gets in your way. Ooh, that's a nice looking weapon. Wait, what on earth is this for? Is this like a slime gun? Oh, laser gun. Okay. Or how about 7? Uh, da 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 da. Pew! What is this game? Ah! The game! Let me just... Wait, what is this game? Oh my gosh. You will not kill me. You will never kill me. Okay, it is a lucky block game. It is a lucky block game. It is a lucky block game. Sorry about that random silence. G1ngerRobot. It's a lucky block game. Why do you keep on saying that it's bad? Because it's not. It's actually a really good game. 9. What's this? No. How about 0? Triple gun! Guns! Or is that quadruple gun? It's a quadruple gun. Hiya! 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 4. Shoot! I'm gonna shoot you! That didn't... Oh, that's the point. So my base tag is flying. I'm gonna get you. Ah! Jump up! Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've just been blown up once again. Grabbing lucky blocks. Just grab a few. 1, 2, 3. What even is that? What is this weapon? What is this? Nuclear, I think. I think this is a nuclear bomb. Bam! 3. Whoocha! Whoocha! Oh no! I have bombs. Bombs. Okay, blow up. Blow up. Fine. Don't blow up. 4, 5. Ooh, a cannon. Ooh, a moving cannon, I think. Da, 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 da. Please help me. I think I'm stuck. Ooh, this is the best sword ever. You have big feet, my sir. Die, 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 die. Sorry if there's any silent parts. I'm just used to playing the game quietly. I'm used to playing games quietly. Oh, you got protection. Not for long. Goodbye. You know, that's like the worst weapon in the world. This, on the other hand, is a wonderful weapon. Okay, let me grab some more lucky blocks. Let me go 6, 7. Ooh, 6. Ooh, 7 is a grappling hook. Do 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 do. Hello. Hey guys. What on earth? What are people doing? You got a llama? You legit have a llama. Wow. How? Why? When? What? I like pickles, but not to eat them. Um. Uh, uh, Unleashing full power! Ah! Die! Toodaloo! Ah! Toodaloo! Goodbye! I am a human. Aha! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy. Okay, okay, that's all the lucky blocks for now. Ooh! 8! I got big giant feet on my face. Where is my face actually? Da 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 da. Boom! Mario style. My llama will. I have a cannon. I have a cannon. You know what? 9. Da 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 da. Run 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 like a rabbit. I don't think so. Okay, oh, running. What did you 8. Ginger! Oh my gosh! You have a timer, don't you? Well, I don't have a timer because I spent Robux. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6. Are these like unicorn nunchucks? Probably. How about 5? What is this? Is this a flower bow? Cha. 2. Oh no! No, he's got a rumble! No, I refuse. Wait a second. I'm gonna become tiny. Hiya! 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 Ha ha ha! This is gonna be fun! I am super fast! Oh no! I'm big again! I think. Am I big? Am I big again? I don't think so. But just in case. Okay, yep, I was not. 3. Da 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 da. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. 4. I feel like a giant. Oh man. He killed me. He definitely killed me. Okay. How many? Okay. I think the video. Well, I think we'll end the video there. That's been a good video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna say vid ending. Time is almost up. So, hope you enjoyed the video. This is 12:30 Gaming / Entertainment. I've been gaming today with my buddy G1ngerRobot, and I just want to say one thing. Goodbye!